In a royal special of The Repair Shop on BBC One, the team met King Charles III, who was then the Prince of Wales. Steve Fletcher and other experts were invited to Dumfries House in Scotland to meet Charles and learn about the Prince's Foundation's work to train the next generation of craftspeople. Horologist Steve joined the uplifting series in 2016 and has since become a firm favourite. Away from the show, he has spent many happy years with his partner Mel and his children. Express.co.uk has all you need to know about their relationship. The father of 5 has been with partner Mel since before he joined The Repair Shop, as he claimed she was partly responsible for him joining the show. He said, "In 2016 I received an email from a company that I hadn't heard of asking if I would be interested in taking part in a brand new show. Not trusting anything that is on the internet, I nearly deleted it and would have done if my partner, Mel, hadn't stopped me saying that it all looks okay. I responded and a few moments later had a phone call from producer Shane, who told me about the show and I agreed to appear on it. Don't miss. Take a look inside the life of bargain hunts David Harper. Latest, Corey's Daniel Brocklebank absolutely devastated over co-star's exit. Latest, GB News Eamon Holmes launches fresh attack on Meghan Markle. Latest, today, he and Mel live in Whitney, close to where Steve's clock and watch repair business, the Clock Workshop, is. Steve's latest Instagram photo with Mel was of the couple enjoying a beer in a pub garden near their home. The photo was taken during the late Queen's Jubilee weekend last year and he said, "A right royal, well-deserved pint after a long bike ride along the riverbank." In May 2022, Steve shared a series of photos as he wished his partner a happy milestone birthday. He said, "Wishing a very happy, big milestone birthday to my partner Mel today. We had a great garden party at the weekend to celebrate, with friends, family and lots of open mic music." Steve first introduced fans to Mel back in November 2020, when he shared a photo of the pair out for a walk in the countryside. He said, "Mel and I are keeping up the daily walks back on home turf. Looking forward to settling down to watch at their repair shop." TV this evening. The Repair Shop airs on BBC One on Wednesdays from 8 p.m.